This is a video update to a video that I did about when your drive for is flashing. Be sure that if it's flashing that you if it's a sensor that you can clean out, it's inside the motor. And what you do, you just take it out and you clean it. And sometimes the sensor, it has a screen on it, and if you can clean that screen out, it might help you as far as having to where the transmission can flow, because see, it flows through the screen, and it'll help the sensor pick up the transmission fluid, and it goes back in. So if the drive 4 is flashing, it's a screen inside the motor. Well, not inside the motor, but it's attached to the motor. Just take it out and make sure that it's clean. Cause see, sometime it'll be stopped up. Now right now it's not flashing. The drive 4 is not flashing, but it was flashing. But I cleaned the screen out, and that solved my problem. I didn't have to use the Lucas transmission fix, which it helps. No question about it, it helps. And when you have an older transmission, just drain the transmission fluid. Don't flush it out, because when you flush it out, you take some of the I guess the older transmission where it done thickened. And a lot of times I've heard this from a lot of different people that said that they drained their transmission fluid, or they took it to a transmission dealer and have them flush the transmission, and the transmission didn't run. It kind of made it worse off. So just drain the transmission fluid, don't flush it, and that should help you out. Thank you.